You look like fruit, but you never knew all the pain that I've been through. I gotta turn this off. I'm not listening to this music. Jesus Christ. This is better. Mate, all we need is for gold to sell. That's it. If gold sells, we're having a good day. Let me see. Mate, I haven't even looked at it, if I'm honest with you. I've not even looked at the news. Oh, shit. We have got high impact news. That is not good. Or it could be good. Who knows? Fuck. I don't know, we'll see. I have to see how it plays out. I mean, it might not move then. You're right, Ham. We'll see how it moves. I mean... $3,380 needs to touch as well. Ideally, we want to see it sell before the news. That's what we want to see. This was just a touch and retest. The thing is, this isn't a real sell-off, potentially. It could be because of the wick fill. Yeah, that's true, mate. Yo, you're right, Louis. Mate, we have been non-stop. Mate, did you guys see what the broker had? Do you know what the brokers are saying to me that are manipulating my account? They said you're in profit, you're profitable. Yeah, but it doesn't change the fact you're making me trade blind. Like what? Chris, but you're profitable in general, and this apparently is a device issue, not a trading condition issue. You're right, Nicholas. Nicholas. You're right, Nicholas. Sorry. Mate, I don't know, bro. We might even fucking spike up to 338. I hope not, though. Mate, they're all offshore brokers, mate. Like 90% of brokerages in MT5 are offshore, mate. And you have no real leg to stand on because they're not FCA'd like the UK. So like MetaQuotes doesn't care either. You're holding through CPI. Cool, Sam. Oscar FX. Do you not know me? Do you not know me? It's scary, to be fair, though. My heart's already racing. Oh, have they been actually calling you? Oh, fair enough then. Mate, Oscar, because I've been withdrawing from this broker for time, yeah? Like, I've just been like 20k payouts. The day that I was withdrawing, Bear, when the markets reopened, I lost my ask price, my buy TPs, my SLs. So on the chart, when you're in a trade, it doesn't say that you're in a trade. I've got screen recordings when it works perfectly, everything like this. So guess what? It started working yesterday. This morning. I deposit $1,000 and instantly it goes back to normal. Like it goes back to how it's always been, with the no TP showing, no SL showing, no ask, like your buy-in not showing. And I was like, this is set up by default. Whenever I deposit money into this broker, they're manipulating my account so that it does this, so you're trading blind. Look, I'll show you right now. Look, I'm in a trade on this account. Look. Like nothing shows, look. Like, what is that? Yeah, it'd be a great entry. 338 is a good entry, but also you can look at it. Since we sold off from the 450, we haven't retested this zone after touching at the bottom, so we could even come back up here, which is the 3410 then sell. Technically, we've wicked the major level at 3300, but we also do need to retest the previous low high, which has not been retested, and you'll see like a wick. But how insane is that? And I asked MetaQuotes, right, because I'm setting up my own brokerage, and I was like, is it possible to turn this off in the back end? And they said, yeah. Do you know what the PU Prime have said? This is their excuse. Mate, this instant was not PU Prime manipulating your account. I do understand your frustration, and it's unfortunate that it's happened. Please do the following actions to make sure your apps are updated and all this sort of shit. But what they said is, this was their feedback, right? Please note that PU Prime does not have the rights or capability to manually disable keys, disable features such as take profit. Bro, I'm literally asked the manager who's in charge of my broker service, right, which I'm setting up. I asked him it. I said, can this be done in the MT5 manager? He said, yes. So they're saying it can't be done, yet the manager from MetaQuotes is saying it can be done. So, like, what's the excuse? Like, technically, right, you're trading on a platform, a brokerage for their spreads, for this, quick payouts, whatever. When you think about it, how does it make sense that the manager from MetaQuotes is saying it is possible, yet PU are denying that it's unable, you can't do it? It makes no sense. So I was like, right, so I'm using your service and I've been blind trading for a week plus. Am I going to get any reimbursements because of this? Like, technically, all the losses, what, like, you're trading blind. So, like, why are you trading on that broker? Which they've manipulated. It's ridiculous, mate. They just buy reviews. Look, I'll show you. I'm going to do a video on it too, because it was slapping views. It was slapping views, yeah. But this is how you know when someone's buying Trustpilot reviews. Keep an eye on this number. I'll check it at the end of the stream, and I bet you any money it goes down. Right. Look at these reviews coming in. Read the reviews. 19 hours, 1 hour. Let's see if he's got any reviews. He's only done one review ever. This guy. Let's see how many reviews he's done. He's only ever done one review. So they're buying verified reviews. Look, this guy. 2 reviews. Crazy. Now let's look at the bad reviews. This is how you know. Read the bad reviews. Beware, they stole my deposit and profits and closed my account. Ready? Wanted to steal my money in my bank card. Right here, what happened? Look, basically depositing money, they're not paying out. Again, this guy. Main account, I deposit a large amount of money. I traded my strategy, and they're basically saying he can't have his money because of his strategy. I did not ask for a bonus, and they should have asked me first, so I wanted it. Because he's done the bonus thing, they're not paying him out. Next thing. Same thing. Guy again. Stay away. Another guy. Fortunately, the company hides behind many positive reviews, but that's because it's all bought. For a new brokerage to have 20% negative reviews out of 1.4, which means there's over 300 people that have wrote a negative review over the people that are doing 5-star, which is all paid. Again, the same experience. Look. Same experience. I had an account. Was trading $1,000. Now 7 days, and they've now terminated my account. So everyone trading this firm are having the same issues. Even me, as an, like, they come to me, it was like, do you want to be affiliated? IB. So you make a dollars per lot. And they just scam. And this company is owned by Vantage Group. So Vantage Group this is an umbrella company. Vantage Group own Vantage and a bunch of other brokers. Vantage Group, the actual affiliate manager, scammed me $5,000, blocked my account and everything. Because, look at the site, ready? As soon as you click on it. The .co.uk one is regulated by FCA. However, the .com one will not have the right to settle disputes. You will not be protected. You will not be guaranteed negative balance protection. And it goes, I confirm, to enter. So basically, look, again, Vantage Global Prime LPP. So they got regulated on the .co.uk, which is this. And I've got proof of this manager blocking my whole account. But look at this. So this one's protected. See, when you load in, nothing tells you like, oh, this has happened, this will happen, this will happen. However, the other stuff, crazy, bro. Mate, I might have to stop trading these poor brokerages, mate, and just trade my own broker. At least I don't lose. I'm always winning, even when I lose. It's funny because I see markets, right? They're not regulated, but I had like a minus 13k balance. I deposited money into it. They refunded back my 13k, even though it took it to start with. Look at this. I deposited 260. Like, these are $100, bro. They're holding my capital. Look at the reviews. It's every day a bad review. Yet the good reviews, it's every other hour. Look. And if you read the actual reviews, it doesn't make sense. I've had a great experience. A lot of us, because of the account manager Alex. This is bull. P Prime have a fantastic broker server, great choices, some with zero commissions. Like, this is a sales pitch, not a review. Mate, this has only just happened to me, bro. Mate, this has only just happened to me about my account since I started withdrawing. Like, even this is a sale pitch. Why is it not saying how much he's withdrawn? This is a quick sales pitch. Copy trader app. I tried copy trading through their app and followed a pro. It helped me earn passively whilst I learned. That's a complete sales pitch. These are manually written to do it. Look, every hour. You can tell when a company's not great as well, because when you look at the negative reviews, they should have it, like as I do with my companies. There should be someone's job to reply back to these bad ones and good ones. Why is there no support with the bad ones? Look, for days, 4 days ago, they replied back with no real, just saying reach out to customer service with no real explanation. It's kind of crazy, right? Like, why are these people waiting days without a response from them? Why has this guy not had a response yet? That is insane. And also, here's another thing, right? Why is these stats here 75%, 4%, 1%, 1%, 20%? Why is the 4-star, 3-star, 2-star so low? Again, look, 5 reviews, because these are legit people reviewing. But the fact is, this is a new umbrella company that they've created, right? So then why is there no one reviewing a 432, yet the one has 20% against 75% bought reviews, which is filtering like 6 every hour, every day, 7 a day, 10 a day. That's how you can see fake reviews, because they're just so like robotic. They're like, yo, we're gonna just fake review all the 5 stars and not do fake reviews for the 4, 3, and 2. That's insane. Like, they could be even smarter. Let's look at this person's reviews. See that this person can speak fluent English, but also speak a whole different language. In different languages. That's got to be German. This is Spanish. Like, how crazy is that, boys? This person can speak multiple languages. Look. Because these are all paid reviews. He speaks German, English, and Spanish in fluent. Look. What the fuck? Oh, they're getting exposed, mate. I'm going to make a full video on it. Mate, I know how this shit works, boys. Do you know what I mean? I've grown my own company. I know what I'm doing. I know, like, bro, these have just done... And also, this sponsorship thing, this is fake. This is completely fake. Where's the announcement? Read this. Argentina Football Associates celebrate officially signing ceremony in Madrid. This is paid, by the way. Paid PR. Mr. Daniel Bruce. Let's search this motherfucker up. Fucking prick, mate. This guy is if this guy's British, mate, I'm actually gonna turn up at his house. Well, that's worrying, isn't it? That can't be him. This can't be him, surely not. But this is all PR marketing anyway. Look, Chloe. See? She's hired to get these articles out. Founded in 2015. Let's go on their Instagram, right? Because this is another indication. How long they've been around for. When was the first post? One sec. I'm coming for them, mate. Ain't it crazy? Just a few minutes of investigating and this happens. Yeah, skip. I just created an account, look, watch. So apparently they're founded, right, in 2015. PU Prime. Joined in 2020. I mean, if you founded a company, the first thing you'll be doing is creating the handles. You know? How many tweets did I have? 348 posts. Scammers. Talking after taking my profits from my account for no reason. This person. I can't believe that. Not one of the... Like, this broker's an absolute shambles. Fuck's sake. It's actually not even funny. Do you know what's funny? Do you know what's funny? Let me try something. This is, it's not even funny. Let me try something quick. Trust Pilot Vantage. This isn't going to be funny, but what? Look at this. This could actually be fucking damaging. Alright. Let's go 5-star reviews. Brody, Peter, Jafar, Theo, Scarlett, Sarah, Luca. See if they're using the same buying provider. To anyone's names that are identical. Imagine if they say the exact same thing. Can you search up people's names in the reviews? Oh my god, you can. Right, the thing is, these all got 1 reviews. Fuck's sake. See what I mean? They've all got 1 reviews. Fuck, they're all bots. Fuck, they're all bots. Yeah, it's the same owner, bro. It's the same owner. They created an umbrella owner. So basically, the same owner, just different platform, different server. This company scammed me 5k. Funny enough, PU Prime hit me up. Then I get scammed again. Fucking had enough of this industry, I swear on my life. No wonder, like, these big people that you see with money and shit online, they're not trading live. They're just making all their money off other people. It's fucking stupid. Like, how can you trade live accounts when you got shit like these companies? And there's no remorse from meta quotes with these companies doing this sort of stuff. They don't care because you're paying for the platform. And they're like, well, you're not covered. It's not our problem. It's actually insane. Fucking hate this industry. Oh my god. Bro, we've got them. We've got them. We've got them. Oh my god. Bro. We've got them. Exact same fucking review. Oh god, I need to re-edit this video. That is crazy. Bro. Let me go back on that guy quick. Where's that guy gone? Hold on a second. Sorry, chat. Let me go back on that guy. Fuck, what's his name? G.S.Ash. Ash. Fuck, what's his name? These are the same bots, mate. I'm telling you. I didn't just clock him, to be fair. Bro, they're bought. All one review bots. Hence this. If had legit company, legit reviews, there would be more than just 2 free reviews on 2, 3 and 4 star. Vantage is the same, to be fair. That's what I mean. How is the star thing like identical to? Ah, fuck's sake. Let's look at FTMO. Look at this. How does FTMO have more reviews? Have more reviews by like 20x, right? More reviews by 20x, yet has less negative. Bro, you work for these guys. You're part of it. Mate, I want to fucking meet him. That is fucked. I mean, FTMO probably are buying reviews too. Can't lie. They're definitely going to be buying reviews. Look, customer. Like, how is there 3 people called customer? Like, how can you trust anything online these days? Sad. Sad as fuck. I've wasted enough time on this. I've wasted enough time now. Gold holding through 360. I mean, bro, this, like, where are you even finding? See this here? Once we break below the 3356, gold's gonna collapse. It's just trapping the buyers. It actually is trapping the buyers. Because, like, this wick here is a great indication. Previous high, lower high. This means bigger retest further down. And then probably see buys. Would I pass your 25k? Probably not. I'm just fucking pissed, bro. I'm so done with this community on FX, man. I'm back for like 3 weeks. And this shit happens, man. Mate, message me on Telegram if you need it. I'm pretty full up though, I can't lie. Thing is, I'm a smart guy, innit? With business. What has actually happened? Bro, I started withdrawing loads from the broker and they turned off my buy TPs, my SLs, my stop losses, everything. Let me show you how you do it. Let me see if I've got a manager on my PC. Basically, what they did is they saw me making loads, so they tampered with my account. And because I'm an FX influencer, and they're trying to keep me sweet, they've been accepting the payouts. But, that's it. Probably... I don't fucking know, maybe we might even come down to 3320 or even further down. We might even come to 3380, I don't know. I'm thinking we're going to get 3380 then sell. So right now this is going to be a retest, either 3330 or 3320. But we need to just break here, man. Just had enough trading shit brokers, mate. That are just setting up umbrellas to scam. It's just pointless. And like, it's ridiculous. Like MetaQuotes even allows it. 58? Mate. Best of luck with that trade. That's got SL written all over it, in my opinion. Within the next like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. It's like I might as well just make my own brokerage for 10k a month. Like, that's all these people are doing. It's so quick, it takes 2 days to set up a broker. And you just get offshore business account open from like St. Lucia, Cyprus. It's easy. And that's all they're doing. These brokers are all in like Africa, Cyprus, China, or Bangkok, sorry. It's fucked, bro. It's so fucked, man. Trading's hard enough, let alone these fucking brokers not trying to make you money. Like, so trading's basically fake then, unless you use FCA regulated people, because they're gonna fuck with your account. And even if they're FCA regulated, who knows that if they're doing shit that's gonna fuck up your shit. You never know. They can change the slippage percentage and you would not even realize until you lost all your money. I think that's how I lost 250k of IC markets. I can't lie. in 1 second, yeah, without any news, nothing. It went like 60 plus pips down within a second. I've got full proof. I need to actually reply back to them. But like, that's just typically slippage percentage altered. We're definitely going to sell to 3,330 today. So what news is going to do? 100%. That shit's messy. That's... Holy shit. Traders page, eh? Look at that. Look at this. This is from 2020, boys. They all B-book people, yeah. That's how they do it, boys. So you think you're depositing real money into brokers and it says live servers? Every single broker's B-booking you anyway. So you're not even trading live funds. It's exactly the same as the prop industry. So like, even though you're depositing your real money into the broker, it's all B-book. And the only reason it'll be A-book is if the data feeds are doing A-book. So basically, you're giving the data feed, the data LP, liquidity provider, the money. They're A-booking them, and then they're paying you out per a lot, per this, per that. And then that's how you get IBs, because the liquidity providers are, they're paying you, you know, $30 a lot. And then, let's say as an example, $50 a lot from the live account. That's how the liquidity providers are making their money. Bro, I can't even be bothered to speak about IC markets, mate. Just within 1 second I was driving and I had £250,000 in an account and it went to minus 77 grand. For no reason. But this was like 2 years ago. So, but they've been good, to be fair, IC markets to me, always, with like issues. Like negative balance issues, I deposited it and they gave me back my balance, like 13,000. Mate, I've still got, I don't use IC markets, no. I've still got money in PU Prime. Just can't be bothered with it. That is a sick thumbnail. Jake, that thumbnail's so sick, bro. Shame about my physique, though. Do you reckon we should edit that for like a full six-pack? I don't use IC markets. I mean, I've got money in my PU Prime right now, so let's see. They should be reimbursing me. They shouldn't be making up bullshit excuses like we have no control over this. It's bollocks. You do. I know for a fact you do. Please do not try and belittle me. Mate, I swear, bro, my physique's way better than that, bro. My physique is so much better than that. What is that? It must have just been bad lighting. Yeah, it is about being authentic. Yep, we're keeping it. We're not going to edit it. We're keeping it. Everything's 100% raw. Nah, mate, I'm not using any other brokerages, mate. I'm fucking making my own. That way I win 100% of the time. I've not used them. Mate, I've got FX Forex influencers hitting me up, bro, about this. Some massive people too. Some people with like 600k followers. They're like, you shouldn't release the video. How crazy is that? Vantage Markets, yes. They same owner, just umbrella. I think the industry need to understand what's going on, because I feel like people just don't get how this all works, like the ins and outs. Like they're just not glued onto it. Like, boys, you realize we're trading live accounts with demo funds. They're putting us on demo funds just to start with. All of the offshore brokers. Yo, what's up, Eamon? I'm good. How are you? All on B book. This is my FTMO, by the way. I managed to claw it back, boys. I was down. I lost 10k yesterday. I'm on 6.5k profit right now. Equity is 196.5. PU Prime account is still open. Who even knows if they're going to pay me this? And if they don't pay me this, then I'll 100%. If they do not pay out my money, I'm going to fucking go crazy. I don't even care at that point. I'm going straight to the fucking office. I'll find out where this CEO lives and I'll fucking come for him. I'll drive personally just for content to his house. I'll hire a private investigator. I do not give a fuck. They're messing with the wrong person. I've got enough money to burn just for this content. What do we reckon? Do you reckon we're going to start selling off now? Come on, gold. Fucking gold, man. I could literally make like 100k today, boys. If I fucking get every call right that I think is going to happen. Sells to 3330 / 3320. Buys from then to 3380. Then sells all the way to 3280 / 3260. If I get those 3 calls, yeah. 3 calls, it's like 2,000 plus pips. I'll be fucking 200k off, I'm telling you. I can go buy another car. I can't wait. Now we just got a break here. Past this point. Imagine. It just fucking dropped. We got CPR high impact news. Be scared. It's been a long time, bro. Don't, you're making me feel old, mate. How long has it been? I've been doing this shit for too long. Surprised I'm still fucking actively kicking. Most people just wouldn't even be able to handle the shit I have to handle. I'm not even joking. I can't use my own brokerage unless I A-book it, can I? So, who knows? Maybe that's the better option when you got a lot of money. We're 100% selling though today. We're going to go 300 pips down before up. I mean, if this doesn't confirm it, I don't know what does. Look at it. Like, yeah, this is just a liquidity volume grab. Pull up, now coming back down to retest the lows of Tokyo/London Open. Wick below to tap out all these people here. People think it sells too because of this gap filled. They could be right, to be fair to them. But it makes more sense as this was the previous high before selling. And if we don't respect here, then we will fucking go back up here. I'm so good at trading, I actually am. What a waste of time. I'm hungry. I just bought a 2025 Ferrari Puro Sangi or whatever it's called. I keep fucking out the name. With my live withdrawal. Yeah, with live withdrawal proof. That'll be a good video. That'll be a good video. Made a return. Come on, gold. Like, this should, like, just start collapsing if I'm right. Right now, we're just trading noise, by the way. Like, this means nothing. We have to break here. This is what we have to break. Otherwise, we're just ranging here before news. And if that's the case, I don't want to be in the trade. So I'm going to take a few minute break. And if this goes back up, then it just means that nothing's going to happen until CPI. But if we start falling, it means we're on to a winner, boys. And it's worth staying live. Alex, with all due to respect, mate, the support has come back with no actual proof of logs, with nothing like that. They're just saying that they're in denial that you can change and edit the settings when MetaQuotes, the manager who I'm buying my server from, confirmed with me it's possible to do it. So I don't understand why support are saying it's impossible to do, because they're just contradicting MetaQuotes. And I'm pretty sure MetaQuotes and I both know the ins and outs of how to use Manager like they do. It's set up as default. Like I said, it worked before I deposited. I deposited and it instantly got rid of the SL, the TP, and also my asking price. So therefore, because I've withdrawn a certain amount on your system, you've got it set up that probably my slippage percentage has been changed. You removed certain features on the platform, on my account. This is all factual. This isn't me making it up. You've seen the proof. I've shown you everything you need to see. Yet you guys are still in denial about the situation, saying this. Actually, to be fair, quite frankly, it's insulting because you're literally lying. Your support, your back end, whoever it is, they're going against meta quotes. I think meta quotes know, and if they don't, if your dev doesn't know the ins and outs of how to use MT5 Manager, then even more it's a shambles. Like you can't go against facts. The facts are it's been tampered with. I made a deposit after it was working, boom, straight away. As soon as I deposited, TP goes, SL goes, asking price goes. It's manually set up like this by default, and the deposit verified it. Because otherwise, why did it change as soon as I deposited money? Doesn't want me to take out money. That's why. And the fact that you've wasted 48 hours of my time is a joke. And the support has come back with zero evidence proving their case is correct. Get up PU Prime server on the MT5. Show me my account. Show me the proof that they can't edit it. Show me the proof they can't change it. Apart from that, everything that you're coming back with is invalid. You've got no proof to back it up, because if you did back it up, I would be correct. And that's just the truth. So if you want to continue to keep lying and dig a bigger hole for the company, that's fine. And for themselves. And it just goes to show that clearly you don't care about your affiliates either. Because the only reason why I joined PU Prime after being scammed by Vantage Group, who's the same owner as PU Prime, by the affiliate manager, who he probably pocketed my $5,000, was because I had trust in what you were saying. And yet again, you're trying to come back with, you've made profit. Yeah, I've made profit because I'm good at trading, not because PU Prime helped me get it. So it's completely irrelevant to what the topic we're on about. Fucking going in, mate. I'm fucking pissed, mate. I do not give a fuck. I want to know why my account is being tampered with. That's why I want to know. Back it up. You can't trade prop firms because they don't pay out, and now you can't trade live brokerages because they fucking tamper your account. Absolute madness. Sales are looking good though. Sales are looking very good. Sales are looking very nice. I mean, once we break this barrier, we can move SL fucking near entry. We've got 25 minutes to the end of the hour as well, so hopefully we just bleed all the way down here at the 350, which is the next zone here. This is the next retest technically. Finally, I see blue. Finally. Oh my god. I literally saved the FTMO account, basically. Yeah, mate. Vantage Market scammed me like 5,000 plus, mate. The manager fucking took my money, banned my whole account, blocked my WhatsApp number, and probably pocketed my whole $5,000. It's fucking shocking. Mate, I'm telling you, boys, I could expose, 95% of brokers plus 99% of Forex traders. The amount of Forex traders I know that get paid by prop firms to advertise, do fake payouts, can't even, like, I could show you logs of them trading like 6 funded accounts and not even getting one fucking trade right. Like, bro, you guys don't understand. You guys don't understand. Everything you see is fake. Everything. Even like the FX addicts, mate. You can think what you want to think, but what he does is he creates an account on a delayed server. So the trade's already played out on one server, but on the account he has created, the trade's not played out. So he knows it's going to drop to like this level, and he sells up here. Waits for it to come on the time zone on one account, sees it drops on the account that he's doing the challenge. He then enters up here, max leverage it because he knows it's going to fall 100%, and then tells everyone that he's done, 1k to 100k. Like, bro, you don't understand. The whole industry's like it. It's crazy. I don't mind, Alex. I think it's funny how people believe it. But they wouldn't know. They wouldn't know. Because they're not glued on. Right, I'm going for a fag. It's bad. It is bad. And it's his own broker anyway, advertising his own brokerages. And he just says to the guy who's doing the challenge, I'll give you 100k profit if you allow me to do this. And obviously he's generated over 100k anyway from deposits to the brokerage. And also it shows off the broker can pay 100k payout. And who even knows if he even got the 100k? He could just be chatting shit with a screenshot that's edited, or send 100k to one account. Raja Banks as well. Raja Banks, he only advertises all his company, the AI company, Dominant Funding, Dominant Markets. He can't trade. He advertises all of these platforms. When do you see these people trading their different broker but their own? You don't. It's all their own brokerages, so they're not even trading anymore. They're just fucking pumping in publicity from the viewers that they've racked up over the past years, and then manipulating the new people who are like, wow, this guy's actually legit, who know nothing about trading. Boys, that is what we're against right now, which is why, mate, I'm not gonna fucking stop until I beat every single one of these people in the industry, and then I'm gonna call out every single one of them, mate. I'm gonna gun for them all. I'm coming for them all, I'm telling you. Like, if you're a trader, why are you trading your own broker? Why are you not like showing off your withdrawals every day, every week? Like, why are you like, oh yeah, look at me, I'm trading dominant markets. Bro, it's your own broker. Like, you're creating an account. It's free to create. You can type in any deposit amount you want. You can withdraw any amount you want in the back end. Like, how does that say you're like a trader? The only real traders are the people that are actually trading the prop firms, getting leaderboard payouts and showing the leaderboard payouts. And then even then you've got to question if they're even legit, because you don't know if the firm's giving this guy the free accounts. You don't know if this guy's making sure they get some payouts. They can't even show withdrawals, boys. Right, the market's corrupt. We're going against clowns. We're actually going against clowns. All the accounts you show with like withdrawals, with big deposits, big withdrawals, they're all tampered with. Yeah, I'm not really glued up on that Patrick shit, but I don't know what happened with Patrick. Was he scamming? I don't know. I mean, you should see my DMs. I have so many offers from brokerages, from prop firms, offering me money to fake payouts, to fake live accounts, everything. Like, you don't get it. It's like a free-for-all with these owners. They want any engagement, quick. Right, I'm gonna BRB anyway for like 5 minutes.
look up when I'm taking calls. There's nobody, nobody else. Got a raincoat that'll keep me warm, and I'm going out late. Whenever I walk out the door, the sky turns gray and rain will pour. I'm going out late. Tomorrow's on the way.
Oh, yes. Sorry, boys. I've got the gardener here and he wanted to see the car and stuff. Don't know if you heard it. Probably not. Save my FTMO account. Mate, my trading's actually unmatched. I saved my FTMO account as well. I was 10k down yesterday. I'm only 2k down with a trade of 2.2, running in profit by a grand. Holding for the 330, then buys. No one can trade like I can, I swear on my life. Confident in that. It's so much better when you know how to trade as well, because you don't rely on people. See how this moves now. Looking to buy down here. Either 3305, either 3330, 3320. Almost news. I know, 10 minutes. 20 minutes. But I mean, I'm happy because like my FTMO account's on 198k now. It's not and like equity 1999. I'm up 200% on my 1k deposit. I'm on 3.2k. And I've entered a 1.0 lot sell, which I can hold for DD if needed be, but we're not going to DD. We're going to sell all the way down here and then go back up. Probably going to come to this 3320 level if I'm honest with you. Previous lower high. Down here or here. So we'll collect the profits and then hold in drawdown if need be. Enter one here, all the way back up to 3380. My mate's trading like Quarteco or something, prop firm. He's got a funded account. You can't lose more than 2.5% in a day. Mate, what is going on with the prop industry? They're fucking made up rules. Let's see what's Wagwan in. You joking?
Tango down.
I've got 0.50 entry on the buy limit here and 1.0 here. Technically, this isn't a sell-off, so we should just bounce off these two zones. This is just a liquidity volume grab.
It's never easy when you finally find an ocean full of feelings. You get high, you're jumping, think it's safe, but you don't know she is wanted all the time. She can play with fire like it's all she does. She can play with fire, 'cause she's never lost. She can play with fire without getting burned. You live and learn, it's what I heard. I walk the wire, so she can play with fire. You live and learn, it's what I heard. I walk the wire, so she can play with fire. Don't wanna chain her, but it's hard to be the one who stays up waiting all the time. And the good things are too many to let go, and I've been searching all my life. She can play with fire like it's all she does. She can play with fire, 'cause she's never lost. She can play with fire.
Mate just said this company's scamming me. They just closed out my trades. Oh no. I see we sell here now. Technically, we could bounce here. But obviously, I'm holding, I'm waiting for it to break. See how it reacts.
living life like we don't care. Young and free and home is everywhere. Love and peace is in the air. Summer wind is blowing through our hair. Moving feet and red cheeks.
These sales are literally just to get money for the buyers.
Play that beat on repeat. We're all waiting for the drop. Don't let the music stop.
Let me send buy limits.
Till the sun comes up. It feels like home when I'm with you. When it's dark and cold, you're shining through. Everywhere you go, I follow you. It feels like home when I'm with you. When it's dark and cold, you're shining through. Everywhere you go, I follow you.
Oh shit, look, it's fucking dropped again. Come on, let's break this 350 now. Let's drop the 350. Mate, even if I can make somehow 20, 30,000 today on this FTMO account, I'll be bare happy. Pay out in less than 2 weeks. Job done on that account. Stop trading for a couple weeks. Take a break or some shit. Ten mins until high impact news. Join up now. The real traders will be joining up, mate, watching this high impact news. The ones that don't care really won't bother. Only proper traders come to live streams really. I'm nervous, mate. I hope I'm right, boys. I hope I'm right. We're always going to see it reject the 3350 level too. Why wouldn't we bounce off a major level? Just give it time. Mate, let's hope, Nicholas. I was saying, mate, only real traders are going to come in the live stream. The people that don't care about trading won't bother. How can you not bother? If I was at a 9 till 5 right now, I'd be going to the toilet for an hour, for like 15 minutes. I mean, if you need to be online fucking watching this shit. I got a 0.50 here, 1.0 here. And on my FTMO, I've got 2.5 here, 2.5 here. I could make like 20, 30,000 today and then catch the sales potentially. I was in a loss on the 100k. Yeah, mate. I just advise risk small, mate, just in case those days happen. When it's all like green, 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 it's easy to get carried away with my trades because I'm that good. But like, even I fucked myself up yesterday on that FTMO. Over risking just kills you out the game. Doesn't give you another chance to recover. That's the issue with over risking, which like everyone just does. And then they're like, I hate trading, or like your signals are bad. So I know it's just because you're risking too high. You're expecting too much. You want too much money to come out of the trade. Like, why can't you just be content with 0.25% risk and you're collecting thousands of pips every week? Like, that's enough. Like, what more can you want? So I just scalped a 2.5 in sales. Risking some profit as well on the main. 1.5 lots open on sales here just now. Here we go. How's it going, boys? Right, live updates on these accounts. Let me show you. Sells are going in very nicely here. Waiting for it to touch and sell. Waiting for the 3330. It's about to go CPI as well. So we've got high impact news, which I'm going to record for you boys. This is my live account. Deposited and up in profit. Very nice. Live. And then my FTMO win live. Look at that recovery, boys. There's no one like me. I'm only 1% with open trade down. 8,000 profit. Monthly. Now only 1.9. But obviously we've got a big sell, then a buy, then another sell up here. This is our next sell zone up here, which I'm looking to catch something like this. All the way down to 3260. Look how long that is. So we're going to sell here. Then we're going to catch the buys. Then we're going to sell. So a lot of fucking money could be made today if I get this call right, boys. And if I do, this video is going viral. It's a 50 plus K trade with FTMO. Going to be up tens of thousands on my live. Job done. I'm live streaming as well on the channel that I have. So we'll see how it plays out. Currently 5 minutes I've got butterflies. Come on. Just can't even get much more legit than this, boys. I can't lie. I show everything. Even yesterday, you should see my content from yesterday. I've not even watched it back yet, but mate, I was going through some mental health issues yesterday. I swear on my life. I was battling demons for a bit, but I'm used to it. The amount of people messaging me, blaming their poor risk management on my trade. I understand. I took accountability that it wasn't a good day, but I always know I'm going to bring it back. Couple trades wrong doesn't define someone as a trader. Right now, out of drawdown. Oh, officially out of drawdown on the FTMO 200k funded, boys. Come on. Mate, we're going to go all the way down here. Look, this is the last breakout retest. So technically it's either here or here we're going to respect. Maybe even 3310, you know, here. Someone messaged me, was like, bro, I'm waiting for 3310. But that won't happen. If it does happen, I'll be shocked. I'm just happy that I'm out of drawdown, boys, if I'm honest with you. I was fucking 9.9k down yesterday on that account. Was looking ropey. And to be fair, yeah, even if it does sell, buy here, I'm jumping in 3380 and I'm going to make a shitload of money. So it doesn't actually matter. Get in. Oh my god. My tongue's got butterflies. There's a lot on the line here, boys. There's a lot on the line. I don't know, David. I don't know. I didn't even think about my heart rate, if I'm honest with you. Fuck. Should chill out a bit. I'm sweating though. I'm sweating on the palms, mate. Alright, boys. We got 1 minute. We got 1 minute. I'm sweating. My palms, I'm like shaking, man. I don't want it to go up. Basically, I want it to sell here. So that's why I'm nervous. I want to be correct with this 3330, 3320 to maximize the potential of the profits. Because if it goes up here, it's fucking rip. Obviously, I can jump in 3380, but it's just a sad day. Here we go. Get ready, boys. Few seconds. Here we go. This is it. 1 minute. We touched. Do we respect? That is the question. Are we going to respect? Heart rate is going through the roof. We're still in the trade, so it's all good. We're still in. This is it, boys. We're respecting potentially. Remember, I could respect and then just fucking bleed. Look. Sorry, boys. I'm fucking shaking. I do apologize. The recording's fucked. Here we go. Touch. Fake the buys. Bleed, please. Please. That wick's perfect, by the way, boys. You might be thinking scared. When this wick happens, I'm actually very happy. Because we could bleed another 200 pips. That's why this is important. Because it's 200 pip drop. That's a big drop. Look. Oh my god, I've got fucking my phone's going off. Messages. Look at the FTMO. Oh yes, 2.5k. Let's go. Right, now we need it to continue break. And when it breaks, it's gonna fucking bleed. We don't want it to find and respect this level. We're still looking promising because we're not really selling, buying up yet. It's important to understand that news is still going on. Right now, news is still happening. We retested here, pulled back, we've retested this level. So now, it all depends what direction it is. And it's going to show its true direction and absolutely bleed. Either it's going to go down, or it's going to rocket. We're aiming for these lows and then buys. I mean, you can't get much better than this, boys. Calling it live, watching you boys. I'm literally doing everything. I always do everything. Come on. There's just not many people like me in this industry, especially for gold. I used to do this back in the day, and I was making like 50 racks off group members. And stopped. That's how good I was. Faking the buys here. And then you're just going to see it fucking. Like that. Watch. Retesting here. Now it's going to sell. He says, oh my god, I can't take it. It's looking like a buy, but because we've got overall direction, you're going right. Even though it looks like a buy, we're gonna fucking sell here. I thought it would be better than this, if I'm honest, but it is what it is. My FTMO account's still in profit. My live account's in profit, so we're just all profit. I've actually got food as well now. Can you believe it? This is the live. Got a 1.5 lots, which is pretty big for a 3.2k balance. FTMO out of drawdown, basically. That's what we love to see. So yeah, we're trying to get 200 pips here, then buy back up. Big move. Collecting 200 pips would be golden, and then to buy 500 pips up is just game changing. Oh, thank you. That's right, they can't see you. Thank you. Oh. Oh, I don't even have to move. She understands the assignment. She understands the assignment. She gets it. We're locked in. Ah! Hot. Hot, hot. Oh my god. FTMO in profit now. I'm on 4 grand now on the live. Bro, don't worry about news shit, man. It's all a scam. Trust me. I've never watched news outlets in my whole entire trading career. Like, even what you just said, I've got no idea what you mean. I'm not just saying that. I'm not even trolling you. I do not watch the news articles. I don't care. Price action's price action, mate. This shit knows where it's going before it's even going. There's levels to it. Even right now, so many people think it's buys here. Trust me. They're seeing the 3350. They're going, yeah, it's a buy 3350 major level. And you're going to watch it absolutely bleed in like the coming minutes. That's a fact. And the reason why I'm not panicking too when I see this little ticking, tick, 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 is because this is 200 pip drop. So like if it's going to do a massive drop to the downside here, then obviously like it's going to want to try and make people think it's buys, and then it's going to bleed. You know, you got to have that thought process. I'm trying to do this all live for you boys so you understand what I think. You're not dumb to close. I mean, if you're securing profit, it's profit. You don't need to hold for the 200 extra pips, but like it's 200 extra pips, mate. Like, do you understand how many pips that is? For me on a 5.0, it's 10 grand. You get me? For me on a 5.0, an extra 200 pips, 10 grand profit. So I'm going to potentially profit 10 grand on my FTMO. And I was down 190, which is 20k in one day I've managed to secure on my 200k. And I'm not even like I'm not even trading that much. I'm just catching level moves. That's the issue, Brady. Like, it's 200 more pips that you could have made and secured. So you need to have that thought process. Like, yo, the profit looks good. I get it. But, like, you're cutting your wins short because I'm saying extra 200 pip drop. That's a big fucking drop, mate. This is only 100 pips. This is a double this. You feel me? You need that profit. I'm the same though. It's taken me a while to get there, mate. Don't worry. You're not the only one either to do that. So if you admit it, that's a good start. You might be new to me as well. But like I said, after we break the 3,350, sorry, I got gardeners, so I apologize. After we break the 3,350, we're just going to plummet. Try not to look at the profit too much and look at the chart. That's what I say. Lovely. I get you, mate. Right now, I'm on 2k profit on my FTMO. I can just close. That's 4,000 running. On my live, I'm 800. Only started with 1,000, but I know that we've still got 20 minutes to the end of the hour, and we're going to continue to bleed. So it's just like a waiting game. But that's where you got to train your psychology, mate. This shit has taken me a long time. You know, I love it. I love trading. I used to sit downstairs near my kitchen all day, bro. Like this now, but on steroids. I'm way less on the charts now. I'm on the charts probably 10 minutes a day on the PC. That's it. Melting. So next hour we'll just continue to melt to our TP and then we'll go. And also, you boys can't see this, but if you look at the daily, if you actually go on the daily candlestick on your phone, look at the daily and look where we're probably going to retest to. Is that 3333 area, and then we're going to go buys. So we still got another 170 pips. Recovered the account as well. Very good day. And then we hold. Secure 10k, be nice. Bro, I don't like I don't like low down cars, mate. Like, they're not fun. My R8 V10 Plus was probably one of the most uncomfiest car I've ever driven, ever been in, ever had. It had 2 cup holders, which were literally touching your kneecap, and that was it. It was probably the worst £110,000 I've ever spent in my life. And I'm not even trolling. So when I got this car, I was going for luxury and performance. The Urus is just a Lamborghini logo. The car itself is shit. I've had an Urus too. Yeah, it's too late. Obviously, mate, the cells have been up here all morning. Look, 7-5, mate. I woke up at fucking 3:30 today to trade. That's a ridiculous. That is a. Like, do you know, guys? I probably ain't gonna be around long. Do you know what I mean? So make use of me whilst I'm here. Like, my life expectancy is going down. This shit takes a toll on everything about your health. Again, respecting here, to be fair, but tricking everyone to think it's bias. I'm not worried. I'm 27, so I should be able to break the world record by then and then give up. I mean, I would rather an RSQ8 than an Urus. Yeah, I mean, like, you could enter cells here, mate, if I'm honest with you. You could actually enter cells if you wanted to. We're about to drop any minute. Huge drop. Mate, I'm sweating. I can't tap my phone. My phone's not working. I'm sweating. This is live trading, by the way. I'm holding the 200 pips, so... We was always going to bounce off this 350 zone, like I said, but it's tricking people into thinking it's buyers. You watch it come down here like lightning. Oh, wrong camera. Oh, sorry, boys. Sorry, that's fucking bad with me. Sorry. Fucking hell, that's terrible. Here we go, look. Fuck, I'm sweating. Just wait for it and it'll start collapsing, boys. Or not. Or reverse, what do you think you're doing? Excuse me? Alright, BRB, obviously keep holding. Gardner's just finished, so I need to go speak to him quick. Mate, do not stress. Do not stress. Look at the time. 1:48. You haven't even let it touch this body yet. You've not even let it touch here. For a collection. Calm down. Calm down, everyone. Need to relax, boys. There's a lot of emotional people going on in here. I mean, this is... If it's going to sell, it will sell at this level. Right, BRB. You gotta wait for the candle to open the 1H. BRB. Please don't fucking buy. I will start crying if it does.
to the sea with everybody, with everybody. I mean you and me, you and me. I will climb on a tree, love this view with a cup of tea. Everything I want, everything I want is you and me, you and me. I will bring you home whenever you want. I will be yours, never let you go strong. And I will hold you, but never too tight. I will be by your side, by your side. By your side, I think we flow like the cloud, and the whole night we were out, we were dreaming of a favorite house, with a farm and a lake, and no time to be afraid. Friends, a lot of friends, and games we play. I will bring you home whenever you want. I will be yours, never let you go strong. And I will hold you, but never too tight. I will be by your side, by your side. I will bring you home whenever you want. I will be yours, never let you go strong. And I will hold you, but never too tight. I will be by your side, by your side.
Like I said, boys, look at the time. About to go 2 p.m. Look at the 1H. Like, if it was a buy here, why would it not already buy up there? Do you get what I mean? We're right now. Like, that's how you got to look at it too. There's so many decisions I make that I don't even share because I'm live trading myself, not live trading in a group. But like, these are confirmations that I see. Then new 1H opens and we just plummet. Boys, you know, right? If I'm right with these sells to buys to sells up here, buys here, sells here, my FTMO will make over 100k. Do you know how insane that is? Only if I'm right though, so I gotta be right 3 times. Which normally I am. Teddy! Come here! About to break. Like, the thing is how you gotta look at it. Why are we not already bought momentum here? And right now it's faking the buys. So like, it's like, oh, it's not gonna buy. It's not gonna sell, sorry. We're respecting. Yeah? Pardon? You can open the door. The camera can't see the door page. Can you just come here? Oh. I've only just let him out. He's been inside all day. Where are they cutting the tree down? Fuck's sake. Where are they cutting the tree down? They're cutting the tree miles away from us. Mate, does she not understand? I'm in a fucking trade. Right, here we go. Big sales SH. This is the daily, by the way. So look, we're going to pull back orders here and then go back up. That's my prediction here. Previous high, lower, high. I know, they're cutting a tree all the way back there though. Right, well, I'm busy right now. I didn't ask you to help. I'm already stressed as it is. I'm gonna have to get this fucking dog in. Yeah, I still think we're bullish, by the way, but daily retest back down here, then buys tomorrow or later on in the evening. House is like a fucking animal farm. This is how I'm looking. I'm probably going to come offline, to be fair, boys, if I'm honest. I'll just see this one out while sitting on my bed. Again, it's not buying right now. If it was buying, this would be all the way back up here. Momentum's slow with the buyers. It's just faking. This hour, we're going to probably come down and all the way sell down here. And then sell all the way down here. And then go long. Yeah. 200 pips sell still. But nah, I don't recommend scalping, mate. That always fucks me up when I scalp into trades, I swear. But yeah, I'm gonna take it easy. I'm gonna go offline, let this trade play out. No point sitting there watching noise, as I called it. Might as well just wait, not watch it, chill out, because this shit drives you insane, and I hate doing this, if I'm honest with you. I do not enjoy just sitting there watching charts anymore. So I'll wait until my fin hits. And then we'll jump in. The free group. Just message me TJ Trades Xauusd on Telegram. I'll send it to you. Probably touch and then sell again. Again, we're only 5 minutes into the hour. So we're going to manipulate the buyers to then go into the sells. It's just how gold moves. Don't ask me why. You just gotta learn how it moves. Yeah, I appreciate that, KD, mate. It's only been open for like a couple of weeks, but I try my best, mate. Like I said, I used to have 500 plus members before I like gave up the signal groups. I couldn't be bothered to do it anymore. It's long. Like, I don't need to be streaming right now, you know. I don't need to be sharing my trades, so like it doesn't change anything in my life. But the industry's a scam, and I'm here to take over. No one can trade like I can profitably week in, week out. They're all collecting 1%. I'm collecting thousands of pips on gold a week. Actively trading too. I'm not just sending one signal a day or fucking one signal a week saying I'm not an overtrader just so. Like, I'm sending every single entry I take on my live, every single entry I take on my FTMO. I'm technically overtrading, but it's not overtrading. I'm just fucking finessing the markets, is what I call it. Can trade any direction, even if I get the wrong bias, I'll get the right one straight after. Won't take me long. Can switch that mentality quick. Taking years of shit. Too many years of my life already. But good things take time to learn, man. It's a skill that you keep forever, boys. So get learning. Yeah, I appreciate it, mate. Thank you for your kind words. Can then wait for the take profits, do the buy limits, and then go drive the Ferrari in it. I've got a day in the life dropping today as well, so it'd be good on the other channel. TJ Trades channel. Day in the life dropping. Let me see if it's on there. It's TJ Trades, it's the name. Don't even know the name to my own channel, it's terrible. There we go. Here it is. What the fuck? How'd you spell this fucking car, man? I bought the car and I don't even know how to spell it, bro. It's actually embarrassing. Like, boys, that's what I mean. You don't need to be educated with this shit with trading. It's not about that. This is all like, whoever you think you're smart in school, this is all to do with resilience, learning. This is all to do with self-development. Trading is probably the best thing that ever happened in my life because it makes you see yourself for who you are, and then you have to change because you learn that you actually are fucked up with all these bad traits and habits, and you need to go sort yourself out. And then you keep messing up, keep losing money, go broke, and at some point you just get the fucking nick for it, man. It's not overnight success. This is years, so many years. You know what I mean? Like, same with your boy's journey. Just because you're at this point right now, how can you get to the next level? What developments do I have to do? What bad traits do I have to get rid of? Like, you got to come to a point where your choices are making the wrong decisions and they're impacting your future. You got to start making the right choices, having the right impact. Again, what did I say? 9 minutes into the hour, we've spiked up. Now we're spiking down, and then we're going to break. This is shit that you learn as you get better. I try and teach people, but everyone seems to be broke in this industry. I don't know why. People don't want to really learn in it because they won't spend money to, like, for one-to-one teaching. Not that I even offer it, but I only offer that for, like, mentor people. But, like, people just want to copy free shit or pay for a VIP. They don't really want to learn how to trade like I trade. They're just like, yeah, I'll just copy him. You don't understand the amount of people that are in my group that are clouted online. If I showed you some of the members, you'd be shocked who's in my group copying my trades. They all fucking do it. They used to do it back in the day as well. They see I come back and they're all over it. So we've broken a 350. Now we're just going to see this sell down. But then today we're going to buy back up, which is what the market's not going to tell everyone, but I know it's going to happen. And people are going to expect it to continue to sell, and it's not. It's going to come to 3380, which is why we're the pip destroyer, mate. We're the absolute pip destroyer. Appreciate all the love though that you show me online, and you know, appreciate everything that some of you boys do for me with my content, sharing it around and stuff. Realistically, I don't even want to be making content, I can't lie, but in the end of the day, I need to grow my audience, and how can me hitting all of these trades isn't going to grow my audience. You have to put content out there in order to get exposure. That's just the facts of it. Otherwise, boys, if I didn't want to grow, I just wouldn't do it, you know, not gonna lie. But I'm happy to go through the charts and stuff like that. I enjoy the daily lives. Again, daily lives are fun to do. They keep me structured, keep me disciplined. I think it's important for people to see my ups and my downs, not just the ups and not just the fake profits where you're just showing always your winning trades. It's good to have a balance with that on the channel, and I just want 100% authentication with my life in general. So I'm putting that out there, and hopefully it gets some traction. But even if it doesn't, I'm not going to stop doing that, because day in the lives, it's just this is my everyday life, you know. Like, it doesn't matter if I'm recording or not. But I feel like if I can motivate people and help people become better in their day-to-day life and have a proper real insight of an actual trader life, then it just, you know, if I'm doing the stuff like gym, trading, waking up early, going bed late, then why can't you boys? It's not the money that motivates me. This is stressful. I could get a better, easier job with less money, or I could set up a business and do less work. Trading's way harder than anything I've done in my life. It's just continuously ups and downs, mental battles. It destroys you. But you reap the rewards too. Like right now, I don't even need to be sitting here. I could just be like, I don't know, fucking driving, watching telly, I don't know. That's why I say you don't need to be a trader. You don't need to sit on the charts and watch it fall. You don't need to do that. But you got to give the chart time, get the price action, read the markets, how it works, and learn how they move. And then you just get better over time. But yeah, anyway, I'm heading off, boys. Thank you for all the love, support coming in. I appreciate it. I try my best to keep going with the trades, and hopefully 3330 buyers come in and we jump in. If it comes to like 3331, 3332, just buy in. Rather safe than sorry. Nothing worse than missing